For the purpose of installing this software, Django software, you will have to work in the command prompt or terminal and with Notepad or Notepad++. In Windows, please press the Window keyboard shortcuts plus the X key and then enter CMD to go to the terminal. This is the screen that happens when you hit the Windows plus X key and choose the run command from this menu. Then in the dialog box that appears in the input, type CMD. In Mac, you will have to go to the Finder and open the Applications/Utilities folder. Then double-click the terminal. Alternatively, you can also use a Python-specific text editor like PyCharm or Atom or Visual Studio or Leo, which has its own terminal. We need to create a new directory to keep all the Django projects and files in one place. We suggest use of names like Django, Django projects or Django files, etc. We are using, for the purpose of demonstration, Django. The CLS command clears the prompt screen in the desktop directory. We are on the desktop directory and we are clearing. The next command is make directory or mkdir. It is used to create a new directory. In this case, we are creating a Django directory. So we type cd Django after creating the Django directory. This is used, the cd command is used to change the directory to go to the Django directory. And to go back to a previous directory, you can use cd ... Let us now talk about the virtual environment. It will be a good practice to create a virtual directory for your Django project. Virtual env is a tool for creating isolated Python environments containing their own copy of Python, PIP, that is the preferred installer program, or PIP installs packages, that's what PIP stands for, and their own place to keep the libraries installed from PYPI, that is Python Package Index. It is designed to allow you to work on multiple projects with different dependencies at the same time on the same machine. For example, in a system having Python 2.7 and also Python 3.7, you can choose the version of Python you want to use for a specific project. Let us now see how to create this virtual environment. To go to the newly created Django directory, type cd Django and press enter. Now create a virtual environment in this directory by typing and entering pip install virtual env env. Env is the name given to the particular virtual environment. I have chosen this name. Once installed, confirm the installation version by typing and entering virtual env --version. Once this is done, that is 20.7.0 in this case, it appears, the version number appears. Once this is done, go to the scripts folder and type activate and enter cd scripts. And then activate. To go back to the basic folder, Django in our case, type and enter cd with dots twice. So we are on the Django folder now. Now you type pip install Django in order to install the Django software. After typing pip install Django, enter. Wait till the Django installation is completed. You will get a confirmation. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Django.